Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Maitake Tempura. I love all sort of mushroom, but Maitake is my favorite. And tempura is, I think, the best way to have Maitake. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Maitake Tempura, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Maitake, it's about 300 grams. 1 cup all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon potato starch or cornstarch. Very simple. Let's make Maitake into easy-to-eat size. So cut the bottom off just a little bit. Make sure not to cut it too much. You still want it sticking together like this. Then break it into pieces. About this size. Let's make tempura batter. Potato starch into flour. It's 1 cup of flour, so I'm adding 1 cup of cold water. Give it a quick mix. Over mixing will bring out the gluten from the flour and it will make the tempura batter very sticky. So this is good enough. It's still lumpy, but this is just good enough. I'm heating up some vegetable oil, canola oil to be specific, over medium to medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature by dropping a little bit of butter into the oil. If it hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, it's a perfect temperature. So Maitake into the butter, then into the oil. And fry them for 1 minute on each side. Looks good. Nice and crispy on both sides, so let's take them out. Before you move on to the next batch, make sure to remove the bits. And let's finish the rest. Serve on the plate. And Maitake tempura is ready to go. Time for the tasting. You can of course have this with tempura dipping sauce, but I like to have tempura, any tempura, simply with salt. So let's put a little bit of salt. And itadakimasu. It's so light and crispy, and the umami of Maitake explode in my mouth, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Maitake tempura is the main dish, so it goes here. I need protein in the main, so let's have toriten chicken tempura too. Because the main is deep fried, let's have something light and healthy for the other dishes. Plain rice here and wakame soup here. Spinach dressed with sesame sauce for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles for the other side dish. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!